Hey everyone, welcome to a video in my channel. I am going to be teaching 3 ways you can make sick dubstep or brostep basses in GarageBand. But if you haven't already, please subscribe and like to get more content. If we could get to 10 likes, I'm making part 2. Without further ado, let's go. So the first way is to use loops, as shown here. See that? So it is really easy. Let's put a normal dubstep beat as a guide. Okay, since we have it, let's make the bass. Just head on to the loops, find any wobble basses or anything you like. After that, add it in. Listen to see which parts of the loop you want and split them. Play around with this until you get what you desire. Let your creativity flow. Let's listen to it now. Sounds okay, but we can still improve on it. So the next way to do this is to use the sampler and sample loops. This is found in the keyboard section in the app. Tap on it and it will take you here. What we do next is to tap on the import button. You should see this. Now listen to the loops and choose which one you like. Then tap the icon in the right that looks like a square with an arrow to import it. You can edit the loop by trimming it to get the sound you want. You can also change the shape and tune a bit. After that, you can now make the bass drops by using the piano roll or MIDI or by playing it. In this case, I did both. There. Let's listen to it. It's not that good, but we can make improvements on it. So the next way is to actually use the instruments, the synths. Like what I did here in my second music I made, which isn't that good I think. For that, I used a bunch of synths and basses. Experiment with the synths and see which is better. If you want, you can follow me a bit here to get a bass sound. You can change the knobs and slider things. You can make notes now like this. Now let's hear it. Certainly needs improvement. So that sums up the video. Just basics to learn the bass drops. If you want part 2, please like the video and please tell me feedback, as this is my first tutorial on this channel. I too am still learning. Well then, bye.